should be able to stand about here and go. This time we welded some stabilizer legs on and a gas bottle holder and fixed the toolbox because it was garbage. Like Ben's garbage. I'm leaving that. That's good enough. Let's go to the front. Put it on the other side. It's a good child. It's not in it.
This is the for you?
Yeah, there's one of these on the lower seat from when we removed the Volvo from the side of the road to the other side of the road. Alright, this is going to face
Right when you are, Susan.
What?
What?
What? That's actually...
Where's the welder? Oh, where's the today on me being an idiot. There's power point to the front, or there's an extension lead to the back. Yeah, we probably shouldn't run the welder through it.
Sure. Alright, we did things. There's a leg. It's kind of hard to see, it's dark. Leg. If I go that way, yeah, I got it to pan right. Done a leg. Done the other leg. Someone cut that front support thing 100mm long. It was me. Put a half put the gas bowl holder on. Needs a flat bar across the bottom and the underside on the inside welded. Another leg. Huh? Ah, flat bar will do. The other leg. Okay, it is the next day. We are, well, I am, Ben's not here. Gonna get ready. I forgot the gimbal because it's been a long week. But we're gonna roll on some paint over where we've welded. I shortened this front frame because I did it wrong. Just chop 50mm out. So that's all in. So we're going to roll on, been to Bunnings, and the bottle-o. Just going to roll on some paint so it's all the same colour again. Roll on some hammer tone. I got some thicker brushes to see if it worked any better. Where are they? Over here. Look at these. 11mm instead of the 4mm I think they were. 4 or 6mm, so they're a lot fluffier. So I'm hoping that translates to a bit more hammer tony effect. Yeah, look at them. All fluffy. So that'll work. Well, there's a tub somewhere. So we've done a paint thing. Ben's here finally. He did a foam thing and it looks shit. No, it's alright. So the toolbox, that'll get trimmed. And look at Ben's end. It's almost like someone told him to leave it long or trim it after. It was not me.
Can I put this somewhere where it's not going to die?
No, you just put it somewhere. You already fucked it, or... Oh no, I'm not responsible. Okay, that can go... Oh, it unrolled already, don't know, it's not my fault.
Right.
So they're painted inside out, underneath. We didn't sweep the floor, so there's all swarf in my shoulders. All the back's all pretty painted the same. Not a good thing to put in a video. I'm sure I can cut this out.
Toolbox.
Oh yeah, toolbox.
I don't know what it is. They're Americans. Americans don't have button.
No, what? Oh no. I said No. Okay, this time I'm not going to pick it up. Pick it up with your fingers that way, because if you go the other way, it crushes them. I was wrong, it crushes it both ways. So the trailer's coming to a new home. We've put the toolbox on. It's all pretty and painted, and I'm not going to say sexy, but it's not bad.
It's not sexy.
The quad's also coming to its new home. There's a generator that's temporarily at its new home. Yeah, don't worry about the cable ties. It was, yeah, quick. Hang on, go back a bit. Oh, it's a chain. I couldn't see what it was, but I could see the shadow on the camera. I don't have a safety chain. But I have a bolt.
You have one of them at home.
It's too big. I checked it.
It's
like one size too. No, you're not drilling it out. I'm just going to buy the right size one.
Oh, not back.
So we've... yeah, we bought the other car. So this is going to be its new home. If Jesse ever gets electric doors. And, oh yeah, the forklift.
smooth. Pull up, pull up.
You kicked my trailer? Oh, at least it's in its new home for now. We should probably find somewhere to put it where it's not going to be like just random cars in the middle of the shed. Yeah, that back corner would be good. It's under the light too. This is its final resting home, which kind of misses the light on this side, but we put down the drop down legs and you can get all four wheels. Yep. Oh, you haven't turned the lights on. So that leg's down, but all four wheels. Ah, you son of a bitch. The other one's next to that. They are bright.
I feel like he lied to us.
He definitely lied to us. He told us that started easier. Yeah. All four wheels off the ground on those four stabilizer legs. It's never going to do that. It's just more of, you could put them there and temporarily remove one and if you needed to. This is the trailer's new home. We're going to end the video here, and this is our new echoey space. So like if you like the echoey videos, and do whatever.
I'm still looking at the camera.
Like and subscribe.
Alright, you're done. Like and subscribe.
We're playing dick.
Click the bell.